Hello, welcome. This is Jim at Cherish Me Again 1. Today we're going to be demonstrating a JVC model GR-AXM230U. The serial number on this particular unit is 066B0060. Some of the accessories that are going to come with it is there's an aftermarket battery charger, a brand new Maxell VHS-C tape. There are a couple of looks like PC cables. There is a charge cord that comes with it. It's plugged in right now, and the owner's manual. We'll do a little quick description on the camera itself. It's in, I would say, very clean condition. The battery, though I've tried to charge it, I don't think it takes a charge. It does have a lens cap on it. Viewfinder comes up. You can see the LCD screen. I believe it's 270-degree rotation on that. The zoom in and zoom out. There's an automatic light on here. There you can see the light comes on. I turn it back to automotive so it stays off. The button is down here. You have all these other switches here. So we'll put this back in play mode. We'll rewind that. Zoom in and zoom out. There's an automatic light on here. There you can see the light comes on. Turn it back to automotive so it stays off. It's just very clean on the inside. Thank you for looking.